Yo family, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how to get Delta Executor for iOS and Android. So this gives you a ton of settings. So you got a joystick, you can hack everyone. It's super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let me just join a game just so you guys can see it actually works. So let's just wait for it to load here. So as you can see, we got all the settings. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it onto your device. So if you guys want to get it, keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So as you can see, we got all the settings there, so I just wanted to prove that this does work. So as you can see, here's all the options. So this is super cool. So I'm going to show you exactly how to get it, so let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, here's all the settings, so it's super cool. So if you guys want to get Delta Executor, keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So it's super cool. So let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the browser. And I just need you to go to the website blocksnova.net. So once you're on this website, guys, you can download it. So it's going to be a button that says get started, so just press that. Also there's like a huge amount of information about it, which is cool, but I don't care about that. I just want to download it. So it also shows like all the games it works on, which is cool. So I'm going to go ahead and press get Delta. So let me press that, and now it's going to ask me for my Roblox username. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that in right here. So let me just go ahead and enter it. So let me just type that in. So now I'm going to go ahead and press connect. So it's just going to search the Roblox database just to make sure I'm a real player. So I'm going to press yes, connect, and it's going to load up. So now it's going to say import. So I'm going to go ahead and press that, and I'm going to press continue. So it's going to say what script do you want. So this doesn't matter. You can do any of them. But I'm just going to go ahead and pick one. And now there might be a verification thing, but I already did it. So as you can see, it's loading up right here. So we'll just give it a second for this to load. As you can see, alright, so I'm just letting it do its thing. So you can see it says API connecting. So let's just give it a second for this to load. So as you can see, it says I'm not a robot, so I just got to press that. It should go through. So let's see if it works. Alright, so it's not working. Okay, it worked, and it says I already have it installed. So this is awesome. So be sure to try it out, guys. It's super cool. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. But if this video works for you, definitely go ahead and share it. It's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, try it out for yourself, guys. Get the word out. This is super amazing, and it's totally updated. So if this video works for you, definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. So yeah, as you can see, we got all the settings there, so that's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, if this video works for you, definitely go ahead and share it. It's super wild. So as you can see, we got all the settings, so this is super cool, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself, get the word out. This is super amazing, it's updated and everything. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to tell your friends about it and get the word out, and you too can have Delta Executor on your device. So see you guys in another video. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.